time. Still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time we.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna start this look off using this hot pink shade out of the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just placing that in the transition area. So then I decided to go into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette into this brown shade, but it didn't really do much, you guys. Like, it was like, I don't know, it brought a little bit more depth. So you can choose to either do this step or just leave the hot pink and just add a little bit more, or like a darker shade of pink into your crease. This just made it a little bit more neutral than I wanted it to be. And then I decided to go ahead and start cutting the crease because this is a very simple look. I didn't want to do too much, but it actually ended up coming out pretty dramatic, might I say. Like, even though I didn't do a lot, it was still very dramatic. So I ended up cutting the crease with this ColourPop concealer. This is one of the lighter ones. I can't remember what shade it is, but I bought it specifically to cut the crease, to make sure that the colors that I put on my lids are very vibrant. This is a good hack. Instead of using like a concealer that's for your shade, get one that's lighter. It'll just make the colors pop, especially if you're my complexion. So now I'm going in with this MAC pigment. I can't remember the name of it, but it will be in the description box. And I'm just placing that all over the lid. It's kind of like a iridescent pink. So it kind of has like purple flecks, like flakes, and then blue flakes, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this pigment is really pretty, y'all. But it's older. I've had it for like years now. So now I'm going in with that hot pink shade again, just to, you know, bring that color back. I told you guys you can't really see that second shade I put in my crease. So yeah, now I'm going in with the magenta shade out of the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm placing that right on that transition area in between the crease and the outer V, just to give it like an ombre effect. I did end up going back in with that lid color just to bring it back, because I didn't want to take too much of it away, but I did want it to kind of ombre out. I didn't want it to just, you know, be this color and then the pink, you know what I mean? So now with the more tapered fluffy brush, I'm going into the black shade in the Morphe 35B palette, just lightly taking that in the outer V just to give it a little bit more dimension. I didn't want to leave it just the light pink, hot pink, or whatever, and magenta shade. Yeah, I didn't want it to leave it like that. So now I'm going in with my favorite liquid liner. Now, you guys know I was using the NYC liquid liner, but now I'm using the NYX NYX liquid liner, and this is the matte one. It's really good. Like, the brush is really thin. It's really nice. I really like it. So I'm just doing a small wing, you know, nothing too dramatic, you guys. Y'all know I love thick liner, but for this look I just wanted to do like a small wing. So I know you guys were wondering why I have a turquoise background and pink eyeshadow on. You guys can't really see my shirt because of how zoomed in it is, but I did decide to go with turquoise on my lower lash line. So I am using this, I think it was a Maybelline liner. I can't think of the color. I think it is just turquoise. And then I decided to go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and use that really pretty turquoise shade that she has in her palette with a pencil brush, and I just use that to smoke out the bottom lash line so it can be like super turquoise and just bring the look all the way together. I'm sure you guys saw my shirt in the thumbnail, so it all made sense, but of course, you know, just looking at the video, you'd be like, where did the turquoise come from? But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it for the eye makeup. The only thing I did after this was add some mascara on the top and the bottom, and add some lashes and some highlight in the inner corner using the, what is it, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero collab. So yeah, you guys, this look was very simple. I mean, it didn't take too much, but it was really pretty, and like, just, yeah. yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it for the eye makeup. And then I will catch up with you guys once we get to the lips. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going in with this Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this one is in the shade Burgundy. This is like my favorite burgundy cranberry lip liner. They had another one that was called Plum, and I don't really like it. It's pretty much the same color, but this one is just way better to me. So I'm using this one, and then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution lipstick, and it is in the shade Chauffeur. So you guys know I like to put these lines on my lips. It just makes my lips look a little more pouty, you know. So this is the lipstick. It's a really pretty pinky nude. It's matte, and then I like to go back in with my lip liner just to, you know, fix the edges or whatever, because you know you don't want to get rid of your lip liner completely, but you don't want it to be super harsh. So I like to go back over it after. And then I'm going in with some gloss. The first gloss is by Nicka K Cosmetics, and it's the Diamond Glow lip gloss. This is the pink one. And then I decided to go in with my MAC Dazzle, Dress to Dazzle lip gloss over top of this one, and it just like really sets the whole look off. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Of course, I applied my Urban Decay setting spray, but I didn't show it on camera. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will of course see you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah.